Usually, guys, I don't do advertising, but when you have a good product, don't you have to do some promotion for it? Well, yes, I did. Yes, indeed, I do. So, this is for my crew, the Style Auto Gang. I want to present to you the Rust Cure. Sorry about my English, it's not that perfect, but you get used to it. Look, this is a good product. I use this underneath to treat rust, and it's a good thing. All right, what? Look at this bee. It's trying to fuck. It's trying to fuck the cord. Look at this bee. Look at that. It's like fucking the cord. Anyways, let's go back to this cure. It helps with the rust. When you use this product, it'll penetrate inside the rust. And I don't know where y'all from, but if you're not in California and there's cold, they use salt on the roads, you need to use this product. What they'll do is it will penetrate the rust inside, and it will make like a coating to protect, and also it will stop the rust. Like if you have rust, it will stop the rust right away from it to continue to rust. And I use this product all the time. Look at all them cans. Empty, 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 empty. And I don't know why I keep them, because they say, look at this, say, want to keep it. I don't know why I keep them empty cans, but it say you want to keep it. And what I'm doing, I'm keeping it. This is the good promotion. So I'm gonna show you how to use this. If you don't want to go ahead and pay like hundreds and hundreds of dollars to rust proof your car, you can use a can like that. But it's not only one can. You're probably gonna use, maybe, I would say, for completely underneath the car and everything, I would say if you have a small car, I would say 4 is good. If you got a big car like me, I would say at least 6. So 6 times, it's $20 where I'm from, $17-18 with the tax. So do the calculation. It will cost you about $120, $150 with taxes. And you can do the completely underneath the car. You can, me, I use it everywhere. So let me show you how to use this can and what I do with it. If you want to use the maximum of the rest, what I do is I heat it up a little bit so you can get all the rest, because this one is an empty can. And what I'll do is I'll get the pressure inside. The pressure will build up, and when you're gonna press the release button, all the rust cure will go out smoothly, and you'll get it, and you'll be able to empty the complete bottle. Because we don't want to waste any drop, because this is the best part. We don't want to waste nothing, so we'll get the maximum of the bottle we can. So you eat it up completely. You can, it's starting getting hot, and when I'm gonna press it, the release is gonna go smoothly. Let me show you what I mean. like that. Any black, any rust area, let's say brown, will turn into black. You see, when I'm pressing it, it's like almost like it's, when I'm pressing it, because I eat it up, it's like almost there's like a lot of material inside. So when you eat it up, because it's empty, it's probably only this left inside. But when I eat it up, they'll take the complete material all out. So guys, I'm underneath the car. Let me show you what I mean. I can use this bottle completely. Any rust that you see, you use it. You put it here. You see? And this is an empty bottle. It's still inside. You can still use more. Oh. Yeah, I think now it's finished. Oh well. We got more bottles. Use it to the max. We love this product. Anywhere you can. And look at the coating. The coating that I was telling you about. And it's not dripping, it's not falling under the car. You can use this coating inside. And it's sticking to the car. It's stick there. It's not dripping. That's perfect, guys. That's what we need. Got another bottle.